He ngākau aroha, in a sense, is our opportunity to be able to give, using Matatini as the base, but it's our way of giving our thanks to Māori katoa, iwi katoa, and the support that they gave our community during the earthquake. Manaakitanga is important. It's one of the most important values. It defines who we are. This is a showcase, in a sense, of the Māori culture from the kapa haka end. To be able to host it into Waipōnama in Ōtautahi is not good just for us and for Māori. I think it's good for the whole nation. And I hope that our contemporaries come along and join in with us and enjoy the beauty of the culture of Māori.
The Waitaha Cultural Council will have its 50th anniversary next year, in 2015. And it was first established by Ngāi Tūāhuriri to encourage and support Māori performing arts kapa within the rohe. Te Matatini was last here in 1986 when it was known as the Polynesian Festival, and so it's been a constant dream of the Waitaha Cultural Council since 1986 to host again this event, and to actually do that next year. We're quite excited about it.
Well, from a personal point of view, I sit on the governance group with the chair of the Waitaha Cultural Council, Rānui Nārimo, and Tā Mark Solomon. And to sit together with Ngāi Tahu and Waitaha Cultural Council and the Christchurch City Council, that expresses a degree of partnership that I think is absolutely magic. So I'm really enjoying being part of that role. Well, probably the biggest role is the venue, Hagley Park, and of course that is going to be a magnificent setting. I'm really thinking that this is going to be the most spectacular event, and I'm going to say that it's going to be the best that the country's ever seen. Te Matatini 2015 in Christchurch, Hagley Park, Ōtautahi. Great.
The coolest thing is that it's going to be in Waitaha, and that's for me, talks about legacy. So 29 years ago, when I was a little younger than now, and being here when Te Matatini came for the first time ever, and the impact that had upon not only the iwi, but upon all peoples in Waitaha. It's once in a lifetime for me. It's once in a generation for us as an iwi to do that on our own stage. You can't get much cooler than that.
Our role as hosts is to look after our manuhiri when they arrive. And then of course once they're here, then as hosts our role is to manage the pōheri process, and so that's the pai as tuahiwi, and so we have a pai that's been working on all those processes, and they're busy working out who's on the pai, who's doing the kaikaranga, what are the waiata that we're singing, how is this all to be done. And we set ourselves another huge mission which has not been attempted at any matatini yet, which is to use or to take the opportunity at the pōheri to also feed our manuhiri there, so it's a supersized hakari for 5,000 people.
I really like the way in which Waitaha describe it. They describe it a once in a generation time when the festival comes, and I think that's a perfect way of describing Te Matatini as it circles around New Zealand. So what we look after is all of the financial planning, we look after all of the suppliers into the venue, all the infrastructural build, all of the judges' development and those particular areas.
Ko te Matatini, koina te rōpū me ki hei manaki, hei ata whai, hei hāpai I tēnei me te kapahaka. Te kaumātoru ngā rohenga I raro I te maru o te Matatini. Mai I te taitokerau, ka heke ki roto tāmaki makaurau, ki roto tainui waka, te arawa, mātātua, ka heke ki te tairāwhiti, tau atu ki roto Ngāti Kahungunu, ki rangi tāne, ka huri ki te hau auru, ki te kāhui maunga, I mua ko Aotea. Engari ko huri ngia te rā rohe I raro I te karangatanga o te kāhui maunga. Ko te upoko te ika, whakawhitia te mono raukawa ki te tauihu o te waka. Tai o te huki kia Waitaha. Nā koe nā rohe kai raro I te maru o te Matatini. Ko hono mai o tātou whanaunga o Ahitreiria, te whenua moe moe a. Koera ngā he māngai mai ia rohe, ka tau ki runga I te komiti whānui o te Matatini. I raro I te Matatini he rōpu whaiti, I whakataungia e te komiti matua. He whakawhaiti I ngā whakaro, a whakatakoto I ngā kaupapa, ka haria ki te rōpu matua.
My role on the Matatini Executive Board is one of 5 executive members, and the role is to provide governance, guidance, direction to the Chief Executive, and also to support the kaupapa of Matatini. Ia rohe, but more importantly to provide the balance, to enable kapa haka to foster and to grow and to enhance at all levels.
Ko te manawa o te Matatini ko te reo Māori. Ai, ki te kore te reo Māori, ko kore he Matatini. I te mea koia te manawa, e whakahaere ana I ngā mahi e pāne ki te whare tapere o hine te iwa. I tēnei tau, kua whakatau he te motu me uru te reo ki roto I te tōpu o ngā whiringa. Anō reira, he mea nui tērā e hei whakātu ki te motu, hei whakatauira atu ki ngā tamariki ki ngā mokopuna, e tautoko ana, e whakamana tia ana, e whakanui tia ana e te Matatini, te arikitanga o tō tātou reo rangatira. Koera te mea nui ki au.
In the executive form, I've been elected by my peers around the table of the National Committee, so all the reps, to be more like I see it as more a management role, assisting our CE. And I'm a performer still, and I'm a performer because I want to perform with my moko, and currently I'm performing with 2 of them at the next Nationals. That to me is my job.
So we're suitably excited about it all, given that we will have anything up to 10,000 manuhiri here, all coming from the North Island, and that's exciting in itself. Hey. Nice, can't wait.